Hello, this is JM from JM RCs, and we're doing top speed RC Mitchell Miners speed challenge. And Jem's Hobby is also helping out. What I have here is my two-wheel drive / drag car, and I'm getting it set up to do the run. We have our GNS already showing here. I got no records there, so we'll just back it up right here. Start, stop, read. Start. And we'll get this thing fired up. I have the two batteries in there. Obviously this one is not connected. It is a 3S 2200 4-wire there. Did I forget to turn the car on? Yes, I did. Three beeps. Get in there. No, forget it. I'll put it here. Get this. Oh, okay. Picking up on the GNS. I have a car coming. Yeah, what the hell are you doing? And then she sees this shenanigans. Just getting this camera over here and I'll Hey Tony, you want to man this? All you got to do is just follow. Oh, I gotta flip this around. All right. And all you got to do is just
Tommy.
Oh, is that who it is?
Yeah.
All right.
I looked him up, or I looked up the name of the road and said meet me on this road.
Oh yeah. Not the much.
Fucking.
Here, take. What's going on? Joint. Oh shit. Where'd that go?
I know where it went.
Right there.
Alright, anyways.
It's out.
Oh, dude, you're gonna turn into an airplane.
Oh yeah. I gotta throttle it.
Huh. We're good. We're good. This thing is rolling, right?
Yeah, it's
okay.
Still rolling. I got more cars coming the other way here.
Yeah, motorcycle. And the last couple times I've been here, I'm watching it busy. Yeah, so down there or down here?
Well, I'm gonna.
Hopefully you can get out of the grass.
Yeah.
Oh, you got a pink and purple flash body? Bro. I like it. Yeah.
Yeah, you gotta kind of follow me on the car.
Yeah, you gotta kind of follow me on the car.
I only know what road it is. Nice to look down there a little bit.
That's what I figured. Like, dude, I can't even see him on this one. I might need to move down some more.
Full throttle.
No brakes, kind of suck.
Yeah, I turned mine up some.
Well, I was gonna do that today, but you know, with everything, with me forgetting my bag,
Right.
that kind of. Yeah, right. We'll shut this off. I got a camera on my controller. I'll be adding that footage in. But let's see here. Got the G, and it's right there. Hopefully, we'll be able to.
Well, I was gonna do that today, but you know, with everything,
Let's see here.
the bag, that kind of.
We're gonna hit stop.
Yeah, right. We'll shut.
Read. 65 miles an hour.
65.
65 miles an hour right there.
All right, John.
Let's keep on testing, but there's a number, and yeah, we kind of built this car and finished this car up live last night on Jem's Hobbies, and also we're doing a little bit of a test hit with it. So Tony's got a car here, and we'll see what he can do with his. Catch you later.